Hi everyone, I am Vivo and this is my channel. Today is Angel Feast, and as I am Coptic Orthodox Christian, we always celebrate in Angel Feast and make Angel Bee. This recipe we need sugar, cup of sugar, cup of oil, a spoon of baking powder, vanilla, and salt, cup of oil, a cup of water, and yeast, beer, and coconut if you want. Okay, we will make a hole in the flour. I used a kilo of flour. I make here a hole and I will drop all the content. We need also on this recipe 2 spoons of vinegar. Okay, we will drop all of this, baking powder, vanilla, and salt. And cup of coconut and cup of sugar. We will mix all
ingredients.
As you see. We called it angel bee or angel bread. It's our culture, you know. And some of our celebrate in this feast. Now we will mix it all, as you see.
Liquid ingredients.
And after all, we will drop all the liquid ingredient.
Liquid ingredients.
Now we will drop the oil. All our ingredient, I will write it in our description box. Okay, now yeast beer, as you see, it's very good. We used it for bread. It make it very well. And we mix. We drop now vinegar spoon, 2 spoons of vinegar. Now we need all the content and we let it in a warm place for hour or 2 hours. Now we bend by oil. Prepare We prepare our trays by oil. Now this is our angel seal. We drop it on our bee, make like a thing, you know. Now we will prepare our bee. We will cut it into equal size. We will cut it with knife into equal pieces. If you like this video, I hope you make subscribe to my channel and share if you like it. Okay, we cut it into equal pieces, as you see. And after that we will lay down and leave it for half of hour. Now we will seal it with a seal, like a thing. That seal, it's an old seal or thing make of wood. We can find it in old church. Drawing on it the angel. See, we can see here the angel. We always celebrate with Angel Mitchell every month in 12. Now we will let it for half of hour, and then we will put it into the oven after that in higher degree. Now I put it, and now you can see it just 15 minutes, no more, in higher degree of oven. You can see it, you can see the seal, you can see the drawing of angel. Hope you like it. It's very hot now. I will cut one. Now you can see how it's from inside, so cotton, so fragile, so nice, and it's smell very good. Hope you like this video. I wish you like my video and make subscribe and share. See you again in another video. Don't forget